So in this video, you'll learn how to add the Google Password Manager to the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you want to have your Password Manager shortcut added to the home screen, what you're going to do is just start by navigating to Settings. Once you're in Settings, you're then going to scroll and select the option Security and Privacy. And then from here, you want to look for More Security Settings and select that. Next, look for Passwords, Passkeys and Autofill. Tap on it. And then you want to select Google because it's set as your preferred service. If it's not, then you're just going to tap on the settings icon, choose Google, confirm your choice, and then go back. So once you've selected Google, it will then ask you to confirm that that's the email you wish to continue autofill with. Just tap on continue. And then from here, you now need to select Google Password Manager. Once you've selected it, you can then see all the apps that currently have passwords saved to the Google Password Manager. So what you're going to do is just tap on Settings, and then under Settings, you're going to scroll and select this option, Add Shortcut to your home screen. Once you've selected it, you're just going to tap on Add, and then it will be added to your home screen. So you can now just navigate to the home screen of your Galaxy Z Fold 7, and you should see the Google Password Manager shortcut. So you can always just tap on it to view any passwords that you wish to review. If you have multiple Google accounts added, you can always just tap on this Google account like that, and then you can switch between any of the other Google accounts that you currently have on your Z Fold 7. So that's how you can add the Google Password Manager to your home screen. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.